You can expect a lot from the 2015 Ford Flex. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and power front seats. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.